revision video. In this video we are going to see the important questions with important points. So first question, explain or what is operation management, list out the functions. This was the question. The answer, now we are going to see the meaning for operation management. Operation management means the administration of business activities for attaining higher efficiency. It is a process of planning, organizing, supervising the operations of business for better productivity. So this was the meaning for operation management. Now we will see the functions of operation management. So these are all the list of functions of operation management. First one, financing. Second function, operation. Third function, strategy function. Fourth function, product design function. Last function, maintaining quality. These are all the functions of operation management. Question number 2, explain the problems in material requirement planning, MRP. This was the question. Here we are giving the meaning for material requirement planning. Material requirement planning is a computer-based inventory management system designed to improve productivity for business. This is the meaning. Next we will see the problems. We are dividing the problem into two categories. First one, problems in designing the MRP system, and the second category, problems in managing the MRP system. So first one, Roman letter 1, problems in designing MRP system includes inadequate software chosen, deficient system design, improper information flow among various related departments. So this is first category. So second category problem, problems in managing MRP system. In that first one, need for formal system and role of system. Second one, need for proper organization of functions. Next problem, effective communication system. Last one, right leadership. So these are all the problem for material requirement planning in a production department. Third question, explain the activities involved in long range capacity or long range capacity planning. So here, meaning for capacity planning. Capacity planning is a type of production planning that involves determining production capacity and workforce needs to make sure your supply chain is equipped to meet demand. This is the meaning of capacity planning. Now we will see the benefits of long range capacity planning. First benefit, reduces stock outs. Second benefit, increases delivery capacity. Third benefit, identifies process inefficiency. Last benefit, facilitates risk management. These are all the benefits of long range capacity planning. Question number 4, what is MRP? That is material requirement planning. So here we are going to see the advantages of MRP. There are 7 advantages we are going to see here. First one, assurance that materials and the components will be available when needed. This is the first advantage for MRP. Next, second advantage, minimized inventory level and cost associated. This is the second advantage. Third one, optimized inventory management. Next advantage, reduced customer lead time. Next advantage, increased manufacturing efficiency. Next advantage, increased labor productivity. Last advantage, increased overall customer satisfaction and quality assurance. These are all the advantages of material requirement planning. Next question. What are the management principles in quality assurance? So here we are going to see what is quality assurance. Quality assurance is a managerial tool that gives all the systematic action required for providing sufficient confidence that a product will meet the required quality. This is the meaning of this quality assurance. Now we will see the principles. First one, determine quality goal. Second principle, assess the current situation. Third principle, devise a strategy. Next principle, project management. Next principle, documentation and verification. And last principle, handling the procedures or handling procedures. So these are all the principles of quality assurance. Question number 6. Explain different types of layout, that is plant layout. So here meaning for plant layout. Plant layout means the disposition of the various facilities, equipments, material and manpower, etc. and services of the plant within the area of the site selected previously. This is called plant layout. So here we are going to see the types of plant layout. First type, process layout. Second type, product layout. Next type, combination layout. Next type, fixed layout. And last one, cellular layout or group technology layout, like that they will see. So these are all the different types of plant layout used in the production area. Next question. Discuss the functions of production planning and control. What are all the functions of production planning and control? That is the question. So answer, these are all the important functions of production planning and control. First function, materials function. Second function, machines and equipment related things. Next one, methods. Next one, process planning. Next one, estimating. Next one, loading and scheduling. Next function, expanding. Next function, dispatching. These are all the important functions of production planning and control. Next question, describe the different types of inventory control system. So what are the different types of inventory control system? So those types I have listed here. First one, ABC analyzers. Second inventory control system type, batch tracking. Next one, bulk shipment. Next type, demand forecasting. Next type, drop shipping. Next type, economic ordering or economic ordering quantity or economic order quantity. Next one, FIFO, FIFO, LIFO, LIFO, like that they will say. That is first in, first out. FIFO means first in, first out, they will say. Next, LIFO, LIFO means last in, first out. This is also one of the important inventory control system. Next one, just in time inventory, JIT, like that they will call. These are all the different types of inventory control systems. Next question, quality control techniques. That was the question. Answer, control chart. This is one of the important quality control technique. Process control, acceptance sampling, and last one process protocol. These are all the quality control techniques. Next question, write short note on. In that they asked two questions, A, B, like that. So A, question A, ERP. What is ERP? That is Enterprises Resource Planning. ERP means Enterprises Resource Planning. Enterprises Resource Planning refers to a type of software that organization use to manage day-to-day business activity such as accounting, procurement, project management, risk management, and compliance and supply chain operations. These are all the things included in Enterprises Resource Planning, that is ERP. To see what is Six Sigma. The term Six Sigma refers to a set of quality control tools that business can use to eliminate defects and improve process to help boost their profit. This is the answer for Six Sigma. In the operation management paper, the last revision question what we are going to see is factors determining product design. These are all the factors which determines the product design. First factor, customer requirements. Second factor, facility to operate. Third factor, cost price ratio. Next factor, product quality. Next factor, process capability. Next factor, material requirements. Next factor, work methods and equipment. Next factor, effect on existing products. Last one, packaging. These are all the factors that determines the product design. These are all the important questions for the important points. So you please prepare these important points and try to develop these important points in the examination to get 20 mark content.